everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to locate a link from a Safetyhub video which you can use to embed into your teaching content. I'll also guide you through the process of editing the video link, which allows you to create customized clips where you set the start and end points within a video. Okay, let's get started. If you don't know how to get to our Safetyhub page, you can find it by starting on the North Metro TAFE homepage, then rolling over the Info 4 tab, and then clicking Library. From here, click one of the Online Resources buttons, then select the Video Online tab and click the Safetyhub WHS Videos link. From the Safetyhub page, select your topic, which will then display a list of videos on that subject. Okay, now we're ready to get the link from the video which we can use in our content. From the video of your choice, click the More Info button located at the lower right of the video. A box detailing the video will pop up. At the top of this box, click the Embed button. The first tab, titled Video URL, holds the internet link which you can use to paste into a document, email, or place on a Blackboard page. To do this, simply click into the URL field like this and copy the link address by either clicking your right mouse button or using Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Just a point to remember, don't use the link within the second tab titled Embed Code. This is only to be used to embed a video into a website. If you're just wanting to create a link to a video, then that's it. If you're interested in using the editing tool to customize what part or parts of the video your students watch, follow these next steps. The third tab is titled Edit Video. Clicking this tab will display a bunch of start and end fields, and then finally the link you will use. This tool is used to set start and end points within the video so your students don't have to sit through the entire video. This is useful if you only want your students to view a certain clip or part of the video. The first thing you need to do is to watch the video and note down the start and end times of the section or sections of the video that you want to use. And you can make up to 6 separate clips within a video. So now that I've got my start and end times, I'm going to enter my start time here and my end time here. And if you need to, you can go ahead and create more clips by adding further start and end points. I'm then going to click into the video URL field and copy the link to use where needed. The result is when your users click on the link you have produced, the video will start at the designated point and finish where you wanted it to. I hope you found this useful, and as always, if you have any questions about this process, please contact your campus library.